Tidy iron train!
Wow! Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere, riding on a train.
Choo, choo, choo!
Kitty driving fast, you know.
You know!
5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "No more dinos jumping on the train." Riding on a train.
Hip, choo, go!
Riding on a train.
Hip, choo, go!
4 little dinosaurs.
Bingo!
4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train." Choo choo train.
Choo, choo, go!
Funny dino train.
Quack, quack, quack! Hee-haw!
3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train.
Sticky, sticky train!
Riding on a train.
Hip, choo, go!
2 little dinosaurs.
Hee-haw!
Little dinosaurs riding on a train.
Oh, no.
One pulled lever once again. Though Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train.
Choo, choo, go!
Crazy, crazy train."
Hee-haw!
1 little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train.
Choo, choo, go!
Riding on a train.
Choo, choo, go!
Happy Dino steal the show! Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Dust. Moo! Moo, moo, weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh, no, no, no. Gas. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow go slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy, feeling sad. Wow, no jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay. Farmer shouts, "Help me, please." Cow says, "Moo, I need ease." Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. "Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away." She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, "Open wide." Cow goes, "Moo, I tried." "Moo boy." She gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at that. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. "Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty." Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. Look at dirt. No. All animals clap and cheer. Love a clip. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes.
Hey, stop right there!
She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. 4 skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, poor they stay away from this farm tonight. 3 skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. 2 skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. 1 skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pull. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning light. No more stealing eggs
Almost got 'em all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Kitty and Dino ready to play hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Read Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near flame, bouncing bees. Hannibal goes, she'll go. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny fogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. 9, Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super the old, the throat spin. Big, a silly shape.